Today on Ostentatious, we have the entire front suspension out of the Blazer, and we start getting everything ready to go back in. Hey everybody, it's Jack from Ostentatious here. I wanted to thank you all for coming here today and watching this video so far. I want to ask you guys, if you liked the video, just go ahead and tap on that thumbs up at the bottom. Maybe drop a comment about what you liked about it. If you don't like it, that's okay. Give me a thumbs down. Drop me a comment on what you didn't like. Maybe we can change some things. If you do like what's going on, maybe consider subscribing to the channel so you can see future content, and also hit that notification bell. Choose all notifications. That way you know when a new video comes out. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and start with this rust reformer here. Got to have bolts before we can put things together. Now I'm gonna have a couple different waves of bolts. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray these with the rust reformer. I'm also gonna spray the sway bar with the rust reformer. Once they dry, I'm gonna hit the sway bar with this gloss black Rust-Oleum, and anytime now I should be getting the silver. I'm gonna spray the nut and bolt heads in silver. That way it'll give me a contrast. If I break down on the side of the road at night, it'll make it a little bit easier to see the heads of the bolts. So my silver just now came in the mail. I'll be spraying these when we're done. I've got a coat of rust reformer on the bolt heads. I've got it on one side of the sway bar. When this dries, I'll flip the sway bar over and do the other side, then I'll black it, then I'll silver these. Guys, once the black on the sway bar is dry, I'm gonna actually use these to put the sway bar back on the truck. Now, what this is the energy suspension sway bar kit for S10. Now, it's not ZQ8 or any kind of upgraded sway bar. It's just a standard one that comes on an S10 and Blazer. And these are polyurethane bushings. And I should never have to worry about these again. These feel a lot better than the stock ones. And also, they have the grease zerk on them, unlike the stock ones. The ones I took off of it, see where this has like a little line right here? Both of them had actually split in two. I didn't even have to slide it down the end of the sway bar. I just pulled it off the middle. Well, I thought I ordered silver, but I got metallic aluminum, which, as you can see from the results, it's a lot more like a chrome-like finish. And it's gonna make it even easier to see these on the side of the road if I have to. Let's hope I don't have to do that though. I've also got the sway bar sprayed in gloss black. There's a lot of places. You can tell I didn't take a whole lot of time with this, guys. But like I said, it's gonna be under the Blazer. It's gonna spend a lot of time getting beat up by the road. I just wanted it black. Thanks to my girlfriend's handiwork, she was able, while I was working on painting the rest of the suspension and assembling everything, she was able to help me get the frame painted in, so thank you for that. Well, that's it for this episode of Ostentatious. Guys, if y'all made it all the way through the video, you may as well subscribe, watch some more videos. Again, thumbs up if you like it. Let me know why you liked it in the comments. If you hated it, thumbs down. Let me know why. Please share this with your friends. Let's get it out there. Thanks for watching. Have a great week. My name's Jack. Thanks for watching this.